Now we need to prove this relation. That means delta ij ajk is equal to aik. See here what is happening. J is repeating. Okay. Whereas I and k are not repeating. So by just understanding this portion, you can directly write delta ij, where delta ij is a term given by Kronecker, and ak. So j's are repeating. So ultimately the answer is aik. But how do we prove that? So first of all, let us keep bik is equal to the left hand side, delta ij right. Okay, this is the number one observation, or we will start with this particular quantity. So what do we take now is, that means now we take b11. That means here you can understand. So I is taken as 1 and k is taken as 1. So what will happen to this? Delta 1j a1k. See this, delta 1j a1k. I think it is clear. But from the summation convention, this is actually nothing but sigma j sigma k delta 1j a1j. Okay, a1k, sorry. This is a1k. See, like this. So now j and k, j and k takes values, right? So now k is also gone, right? K is also gone. Sorry. Here I think I made it wrong. So this is j1. Now you can look at this. So here also I think I need to correct this. So this is aj1. Actually, this portion, let's see this, this portion jk. So this is ij jk. This is same as, both are same. So here also the same. That means j takes the values now 1 to 3. Now I write delta 1 1 a 1 1 plus delta 1 2 a 2 1 plus delta 1 3 a 3 1. I think I'm making some sense. Okay, let me remove all these things here because it is getting a little confusion to you. So if you remove all these things, so now this becomes, this is 1 a11 plus 0 a21 plus 0 a31. Okay, so this becomes ultimately a11. That means the left hand side what we have taken a p11 has come up to this. That means b ik is nothing but aik. So that is what we are trying to do. Now let us take, we have taken I as 1, k as 1 in the previous one. Okay, similarly what we can do, we can take b22 now. That means now I will take 2, k will take 2. This again, actually what is bik? Bik is nothing but delta ij ajk. See, inside the index j is repeating. You should understand in that way actually. So b22 now, that means I is 2, k is 2. So that is now b2j a2, sorry, aj2 aj2. Now let us put this. Now again, so now here j takes 1 comma 2 comma 3. Delta 21 a12 plus delta 22 a22 plus delta 23 a32. So this one vanishes, this one vanishes. We are left with delta 22 a22. This is, we know this is 1. Answer is a22. So b22 is a22. Similarly, we can prove b33 is equal to a33. That means In generalization, BIK is AIK, but it is given as the left hand side delta ij ajk. See, so this is hence proved. So similar to this, we can actually try others also. That means, uh, yeah. So we'll take a similar simple one, delta ij, okay, and aij. So what could this be? So if you can just tell me what could this be, I would be happy, right? So this is nothing but as it is. So this is you can actually think of delta 1 1 a 1 1, right? J2 has no meaning now. So delta, so this becomes only A11. So if I take I as 1, J as 1, I'm getting this one. So whereas this is nothing but A11. Like that, if I keep on doing it, that means delta ij aij is nothing but aij. Sorry, a, I can make it as not like this. I can make it as ai. Okay, simple relation is delta ij aij will be aii.